National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near West Cameron, 168, or 29 nautical miles south of Cameron, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 170, West Cameron 168, West Cameron 198, West Cameron 196, West Cameron 215, and West Cameron 205. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.